Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Azure CLI for macOS and Windows, full guide step by step clearly. To download Microsoft Azure CLI for macOS and Windows, start by opening your preferred web browser. For macOS users, navigate to the official Azure CLI documentation page at the Microsoft website. Locate the section that provides installation instructions for macOS. You will see a command to install Azure CLI using Homebrew. If you don't have Homebrew installed, follow the instructions provided on the Homebrew website to set it up. Once Homebrew is ready, copy the command for installing Azure CLI. Open the terminal application on your Mac. Paste the copied command into the terminal and press Enter. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, you can verify it by typing AZ version in the terminal. For Windows users, first, visit the same official Azure CLI documentation page. Find the installation instructions specifically for Windows. You will have the option to download an MSI installer. Click the link to download the MSI file for the Azure CLI. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the MSI file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the command prompt. Type AZ version to ensure that Azure CLI has been installed successfully. Now that you have Azure CLI installed, you can start using it for your cloud computing tasks. Remember to check for updates regularly to keep your Azure CLI up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.